Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the divisors of 14. If you want to learn more about divisor, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. At first we will find all the possible ways in which we can divide 14. We will start from 1. 14 divided by 1 is equal to 14. So, 1 and 14 are the divisors of 14. Now, 14 divided by 2 gives us 7. So, 2 and 7 are the divisors of 14. Now, look that there is no number between 2 and 7 which can divide 14. So, we will stop dividing right now. Now look that we have all the divisors of 14 which are in orange colors. That is 1, 2, 7 and 14. So the total number of divisors of 14 is 4. Now if we look at these numbers, we can see that 2 and 7 among these numbers are prime numbers, because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and that number itself. So we can say that the prime divisors of 14 are 2 and 7. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.